Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make food in your handfeed bird or your free-part bird or your tame bird. This is the ingredients, guys. But first, just subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I go a new video. Okay, first ingredient is Cerelac. Flavor mix fruit and soya. If you have only one bird, you can put on this birds like this. Half of your spoon. Next is the pickerel. I use banana in honey because bird like honey. But I need to grind this so that it will not stuck on your syringe. Okay. And then next is protein expander or let's say PEEP. This is for chicken, but you can also use this for bird because it is a high protein that good for your 5-band bird. So help to their feeder. And if you see the ingredients here, it's perfect for your bird because it's a grain, banana, and corn, egg. Yes. If you do, you can buy this in the agribet. You can find protein expander. You can use all kinds of protein pellets because this is a high protein that is good for your bird. But you can this is how it looks like. Yeah, there. You can grind this to make so that it not will be stuck in the syringe when you use it. Okay. This is how I use for my 100 bird. Okay, that's it. And warm water. Okay. So good. Yes. And guys, thank you for watching. Hope you understand what I'm talking about here. Happy birding. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.